In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox account is already linked to another account. Now the way you fix this is by going to Roblox support. So type roblox.com/support and come to this page. From in here, you're gonna fill in your contact information, choose where you're on. I'm on the PC. Come down here and do data privacy requests. And from in here, choose right to be forgotten and right of access. Now in here, you're gonna tell them that you get the issue, that it says the account is already linked to another one, and then ask them if they can please unlink it. And that's basically how you can do it. Then after that, all you have to do is wait for them to send you back an email, and then it should be fixed. Now keep in mind, this can take some days. It can even take a week before they respond. So just be patient and wait for their response. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.